Hey, I got a question I want to ask you guys, and that is, do I buy a new bike or do I make my 111 engine a 116 engine? Today I'm going to go and find out some information about how much does it cost to have the 116 kit put on. How much would it cost for me to purchase the Pursuit with all the bells and whistles? How much is my bike worth if I traded it in? And how much if I sold it outright? What's it worth on the market? Now, my bike I bought in 2017, and I have 46,000 miles on it. It's got everything on it that you can get, all the extras. It's got a stage 1. It doesn't have any cams. So I want to find out it, and it runs great. In the garage, I also have the Super Chief, the 22 version with the 116 engine in it. And every time I jump on that bike and then jump on my 111, can tell the difference. There is a difference. So, anyways, let me go to the dealer and see exactly what some of these prices are, and I will add that into the video as we get going here. Let's take a ride.
I'm here now, so I'm gonna go in and get the cost for a 116 kit installed. I'm gonna find out what my trade-in value is on my bike, and also find out what the retail might be, what they'd sell it for. And then also, I want to find out what is the Pursuit cost with all the bells and whistles, paint job, everything. And I want to compare what that's going to be like. And I'll let you know those figures after I go inside.
Okay, I got some information, and I'm going to rattle off a bunch of numbers here. Basically, I was looking at new bikes, and I looked at the Pursuit, and I looked at the Challenger. If I purchased the Challenger, I would purchase the lowers in body color also, the ones that are on the Pursuit. And the price of a Challenger with those lowers on, I'm talking rough figures here, out the door would be around $29,000. If I bought a Pursuit with all the bells and whistles on it, it'd be around $39,000 out the door. Now these again are rough figures. We're talking tax and all those other things added into it. Now if I didn't buy a new bike and I put a 116 in my current 111, it cost me just under $5,000 to do that. And since my bike is a 2017, it's an older version of the 111. After hearing some comments from the service techs, reliability might be just off a little bit, might not be perfect, could be, but that's the price of that, just under $5,000. Now there's another option I can do on my bike, and that would be to put the cams in. Just put cams in my bike, so it'd be a stage 2 with a flash, and also do a catalytic converter conversion delete. That price would be about $1,500. So I would basically have a better performing engine with the new cams, and also it'd be a little cooler with that catalytic converter removed. So that's another option. Oh, here's some other prices. If I was to trade my bike in here, and it's in perfect condition, but because it has around 46,000 miles on it, we're talking about, they would give me about $15,000 for it. And they would sell it for around 20, 21, something like that, maybe 19.5. So that means I could sell it for around 19.5. So that's the pricing that I have. So I've got around 20 grand for my bike if I sold it myself. it would cost me 29 grand for a new Challenger with lowers on it, because the lowers cost almost $1,000 to have them put on with the lights and everything. So that's $9,000 more. If I got the Pursuit, now we're talking about $19,000 more. Or if I just mess with my engine and get a little bit nicer, it would be about $1,500. What do you guys think? Put your comments down below. I'll read them all. I really would like to know what you think. So that's it. Hopefully you can help me out. Until next time.